Merħba sbieħ tiegħi, jiena Miss Julie u hawnhekk ħankunu qegħdin nitalmu u nieħdu gost flimkien. Tinsewx tafsu subscribe li qiegħda hawnhekk kif ukoll il-qampena li qiegħda hawnhekk biex intom tkunu tistgħu tkunu tafu meta jiena intella video ġdid. Din id-darba tfal ħanaqraw storja bl-Ingliż. Jisimha Spot Bakes a Cake. Ħanaqleb bl-Ingliż. The story is written by Eric Hill and it is published by Puffin. Spot bakes a cake. Do you like cakes? I love cakes. It's your dad's birthday on Friday, Spot. What's that? That's a calendar. Do you have a calendar? I have a calendar and I also have one on my phone which I use a lot. Let's bake a cake. We have to go shopping. Of course they do. Shall we open that? I need some cheese. Aw, the mouse needs cheese. Can you find a bar of chocolate, Spots? Ooh, look. What does she have there? She has a list. There's flour, butter, eggs, chocolate and cheese. So I think that the flour, the butter, the eggs and the chocolate are used for the cake, are going to be used for the cake. But what about the cheese? Who needs the cheese? I remember. The mouse needs cheese. Shall I open this? Special today chocolate. Dad loves chocolate cake. Now we can make the cake. So, shall we see what he's doing? What is he doing under there? Whoa! We've already started. They have already started doing the cake. Can you see, children? Spot! That's enough! Whee! What is he doing? He's going to make a huge mess. Shall I open this and see what's happening? Oh my goodness, look children, they're stirring it. Stir, stir, stir. The cake is in the oven. Help me clean up, Spot. Ooh, look what a mess. That's quite a mess. Shall I see what's under here? I am helping. Look what he's doing. He's licking the spoon. I think all kids like licking the spoon, right? When you're doing a cake. Have you ever done that? Can I decorate the cake yet, Mom? We're going to decorate it. Shall we open the oven? It's ready now! Go easy on the icing, Spot. Look, he's using a book called How to Decorate a Cake. Shall I open it? There is the best part. He loves decorating the cake with icing. I think it's my favorite part as well when I'm baking a cake. This will be a nice surprise for you, Dad. Spot. What is Spot doing? He's doing a card. I can't wait. He's too excited. Happy birthday, Dad! Happy birthday, Sam. Look. The cake is ready and he's giving it to Dad. Wow. What a nice book. Did you like the book, children? If you liked the book, give me a thumbs up, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.